Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be putting my saw to its limits with the tree that I did branch on the previous video. So this will help me make up my mind about if I need to get me a chainsaw or not. I need a backup camera. It's 36 feet long and about 17 inches in diameter on the thickest part. So let's see how long it takes to get it cut down to manageable sizes. I forgot to set a timer, but I guess I can find out about that piece by checking at the camera timestamp. So well, there we go. We are 30 minutes 57 seconds. was getting another battery. The other one ran out, but it makes me feel good that it was not like hot or anything like that. So these batteries are meant to be worked really hard. So this battery has 3 lights. I don't know if you can see it. If I remember right, that means that it's at least 70% full. So this one was on another tool that I have. So that's why I'm not 100% sure that it's like 200% charged. So, but at least I think it is at least 70%, if I remember right. I almost forgot to measure this thing again. So I decided to stop because the reciprocating saw, or Zozo, the way a lot of people call it, was already getting fairly hot, and I don't want to just destroy it, so I just stopped there. It was still working just fine, it was just hot. We're down to about 11.5 feet or so, and it took a total of about an hour. I have to check the time, but pretty sure it's not longer than an hour and like 5 minutes or so, including the first log that I cut. So yeah. So should you have one of those saws instead of the chainsaw? It depends what situation you have, because if you live, for example, in the middle of New York City, you will not probably be watching this video anyway. But no, the point is, if you don't have that many thick trees to cut, then yeah, you probably better have one of these instead of a chainsaw, because the chainsaw, again, how often are you going to be using it? In my case, I have like 5 or 6, maybe a little more, full-size mature trees, think some of them are oak on other kinds that I don't know the name of. But I mean, how often will I be cutting up a tree like this? Hopefully not often, but this is Oklahoma, so you never know. So yeah, on my case, I would probably be looking into the battery chainsaws. And so far I have had really good luck with DeWalt tools. So I guess I have no reason to get out of the ecosystem. So this is the saw that I'm thinking on getting. The last time I looked into it, it was actually like $200 and something. That's why I went with the saw. But now it's down to $159, and I don't need batteries or chargers or anything like that. So it's because I have plenty of batteries and chargers. So I'm pretty sure you will see one of these on my hands the next time I need to cut thicker logs and trees like the one I just did. So yeah, that's it for now. I will see you on the next video.